The spark plug is a consumable engine component and must be periodically replaced, even under trouble-free operation. If the electrodes are worn and the edges become rounded, sparking will not easily occur. This may lead to engine starting problems and misfiring, and the engine cannot operate at its peak. There are various types of NGK spark plugs available. Please use a catalogue or compatibility chart to select the part number that matches your specific engine. Another problem is power leakage through carbon accumulated on the firing end, causing poor or failed ignition. Other deposits from oil leaks, fuel additives, or even poor quality fuel can accumulate on the spark plug's electrodes. In time, if these deposits become excessive, they may form hot spots and cause abnormal combustion that may lead to overheating and melting of the electrodes. These spark plugs require replacement. It must be noted, however, that these phenomena may also be caused by inadequate engine servicing and incorrect spark plug selection.